Hello everyone, this is Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video. Today I thought it would be appropriate, since everybody is shopping for the holiday season, to go over Consumer Report, one of our databases that we have on our library's website. So as always, we're going to go to www.maplb.org, our library's website. We're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. We're going to scroll down to Consumer Reports. You have to actually go to our list and to the link here just so that it verifies that you're, with the library and things like that. So click on that and it will take you. And if it does ask you for your library card number, it's probably just going to ask you for that just to verify. I already logged into EBSCO's products, and that's one of our providers. So in case you might need your library card, just have it on handy when you come to the website. So as you can see off the bat, we already have people that are looking for things, best 2020 products of the year. So it's always a great time to look back to see which products were doing good this year, which products weren't, what kind of, things were wrong with them, defects, recalls, and stuff like that. So you can go through any type of products that they have here. You can go ahead and you can type in the products that you're looking for. So I know a big thing for everybody is computers. So we can actually just do, let's just do laptop computers to make it a little bit more specific instead of too general. So as you can see, you have desktops, Chromebooks, tech support, in-store tech support. So to actually give you the idea if they have like Geek Squad, the Apple Genius, things like that, as far as their warranties and things that computer have that are online support, and you can call them and things like that. So they'll actually give you ratings on those types of supports too. So that's actually really interesting to see. Go and click on laptops. Let's do the skip tutorial. So what it'll do is it'll give you basic overall scores. And on the side here, it'll give you basically the breakdown of what those overall scores are going to consist of. So it's display, performance, portability, and reliability. So what you're always looking for is in performance on a computer. You always want to get the best bang for your buck. So if you go down, of course, the ones that are a little bit more expensive are going to cost a little bit more, but the performance and the display are also going to be a lot higher than the ones that you see here for the cheaper ones. So you can go through and you can see here, they have the prices, where you can shop and find them, and the scores here on the side. If you want to include them in a, like say a compare list, let's just go with, I want to compare this Apple with, let's say it is Dell and a Samsung. And then we can go go down. So they have 14-inch, so they separate them by, it looks like by size too, to make it a little bit easier. Yeah, so the bigger the size is going to be more down. Yep, bigger. So we can actually just click on one and I'll give you a little bit more. Let's just go with the LG. So the LG is going to show you, it's compared to some others up here at top, the ones before that one after. You're going to show you all the breakdowns of what it is, the weight, when it comes with the operating system, the highs and the lows. So that's another good thing. So if you're looking for something in particular, it'll show you the highest things that people rated and what they said that it didn't come with, what it lacked either, or a feature it didn't come. And then the details report. So this is going to give you each one of these little statistics here with a breakdown report here. So you can go through each one. And then owner satisfaction is a big one too. So this is going to be what they tested. The Consumer Report, they do thousands of testings of these products, and that's going to be the predicted reliability versus owner satisfaction. So these are what, people are actually saying back to, like, surveys and things like that, according to whatever product that they purchased. And then they'll have your features and your specs. So if you're looking for something particular as far as size, memory card, RAM, the driver, things like that, it'll all be here. And then they will give you a price and shop to see, you can actually just go ahead and gauge what the prices are versus different types of competitors. So they don't really have like a competitor shop that they're actually, going to highlight. They're just going to show you, it's going to be sold by whoever, wherever. And then I think that's about it. So sometimes we have customer reviews here that I actually put in there. So they will say, more details. So they had longer than 6 months, upgraded from a 13-inch, perfect size, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, so you can actually see real reports from people, consumers, too on some of these products. So then sometimes there's also a buying guide. So if you're not really sure on what you want to do or what you need, the buying guide also shows you the breakdown of what they are, what different desktops are, compact, full size, gaming, all in one, different types of laptops, medium, smaller RAMs, other types that they have like Chrome tablets and, regular tablets and detachable ones like the Microsoft Surface. What are they and which one actually applies to what you need? So this buying guide, little thing that they have on Consumer Report, is a really great way for you to kind of figure out, what you're going to buy before you actually do it. Because buyer remorse, not a good thing to have. So yeah, that's about it on overviews, buying guides, and it'll show you some of the biggest things. So if you go on just the actual computers itself, besides the ratings and things like that, you'll also have down here some of the best things of the year. Like I said, 2020 is already coming to a close. So a lot of times when you come on the Consumer Report, they'll have the best of 2020s for all the different appliances and gadgets and things that they have that consumers buy. But that's about it. So once again, everybody, if you go to our website at mapld.org, you'll be on the library's main page. We're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. You might need your library card, so have your library card with you. Coming down to Consumer Reports, click on that. And you will be at the website and you'll be ready to go and find your next product for you to buy. All right, so simple, easy, just like I said. We will see you guys next time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye.